Hi friends, we discuss about the new chapter trigonometry. The meaning of the trigonometry means tri means 3, gono means angle, metry means measurement. The total meaning of the trigonometry is triangle measurement. The father of trigonometry is Hipparchus. The total trigonometry deals with the right angle triangle. Here it is a right angle triangle with sides A, B, C. Here it is a B is a 90 degrees. It is a right angle. The sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. A plus C equal to 180 degrees. Here the angle B is 90 degrees. It is a right angle. A plus 90 degrees plus C equal to 180 degrees. Bring this 90 to this side. A plus C equal to, bring this 90 to this side, the total will be 90 degrees. So the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Here B is a 90 degrees. A plus C equal to 90 degrees. Suppose let's place here C, it is a theta. Find the, here it is 30 degrees. Find the angle C. Therefore angle A equal to 30 degrees. Angle B equal to 90 degrees. Angle C equal to theta. We know that a sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So let's place A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Here A is a 30 degrees. So substitute A equal to 30 degrees plus B equal to 90 degrees. We want to find C means let's place it as a theta. It equal to 180 degrees. 30 plus 90 equal to 120. Bring this 120 to this side. Theta equal to, bring this 120 to this side. Therefore 180 minus 120. Okay. 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. Therefore theta equal to 60 degrees. Let's sum all the angles. A equal to 30. B equal to 90. C equal to 60. Therefore, sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So, up to this we see the introduction of the trigonometry. Now we enter into the main concepts. In trigonometry, to solve any problem, we have some formulas. There are important formulas. Let's talk about these formulas. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Without these formulas, we didn't learn about trigonometry. Without these formulas, we can't learn trigonometry. These are the main basic formulas are trigonometry. Let us talk about each formula. Sin theta. Sin theta. Theta is nothing but an angle. Here, let's place here theta. Theta. Theta is nothing but an angle. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay. Let's discuss what is hypotenuse, what is opposite. In right angle triangle, the largest side in right angle triangle is AC. It is called as a hypotenuse. The largest side in a right angle triangle AC, it is called as a hypotenuse. The side which is adjacent to theta, is called adjacent side. Here BC it is a adjacent side. So BC is called as a adjacent side. The side which is opposite to theta is called opposite side. It is a side AB. AB is called as a opposite side. The side which opposite to the theta is called opposite side. Okay, sin theta it means opposite by hypotenuse. Let us tell what is opposite. Opposite means AB. Opposite side means AB. And then hypotenuse means AC. Okay friends, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite means AB, hypotenuse means AC. Cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but the adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent means BC. The adjacent means the side which is adjacent to theta, near to the theta is adjacent. Adjacent means BC by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but the larger side means that is AC. AC. Tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Opposite side means AB and adjacent side BC. We can write tan theta in another way also. Tan theta equal to, tan theta is also written as tan theta. Tan theta is also written as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Here sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta formula is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the formula of adjacent cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Then hypotenuse will be cancelled. Opposite by adjacent. It is a Therefore, the formulas of the tan theta is also written as opposite by adjacent or sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Similarly, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is nothing but the reciprocal of sin theta. What is sin theta formula? Sin theta, what is the formula of sin theta? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Reciprocal means 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta means 1 by O by H. H will become to the numerator and the formula will be hypotenuse by opposite. Therefore, cosecant theta formula is hypotenuse by opposite. Secant theta. Secant theta is nothing but the reciprocal of the cos theta. Okay, secant theta is nothing but the reciprocal of cos theta means 1 by cos theta. Okay, 1 by cos theta form. What is the cos theta formula? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. The H will become to the numerator and the formula will be H by A. Then last one is cot theta. Cot theta. We can write cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, 1 by tan theta, or otherwise cos theta by sin theta. 1 by tan theta means 1 by tan theta formula. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Here A will become to the numerator. Therefore, A by O. Therefore, cot theta formula is adjacent by opposite. Okay, cot theta formula will be cos theta by sin theta or cot theta will be adjacent by opposite. Let's take a short glance about all the formulas. Sin theta. What is the formula of sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. Another formula of sin theta is 1 by cosecant theta. What is the formula of cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Another formula of cos theta is 1 by secant theta. In similar way, tan theta will be written as opposite by adjacent, or otherwise sin theta by cos theta, or otherwise 1 by cot theta. Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta will be hypotenuse by opposite, or otherwise 1 by sin theta. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, or otherwise 1 by cos theta. Cot theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite, or otherwise 1 by tan theta, or otherwise cos theta by sin theta. This is the short glance of the total formulas. It is very important formulas in trigonometry. Without this we can't learn about trigonometry.